Hey folks, this is Bridge Arora. We are here to discuss about the interactive Excel classes. This video is first in the series of 5. In this video we'll discuss about the arithmetic functions, and in the next videos we'll discuss more about the shortcuts, text formulas, data validations and the date formulas. So we'll start from the arithmetic functions over here. Here we have three lists. This is called list A, list B and the list C with us. List A consists numbers, list B consists numbers, list C consists numbers and a text and few blank details in between. So we have categorized the formulas in the two categories. One is the summary functions, which will take the complete list to produce the output, and the second is the arithmetic functions, which may or may not require the list. Here we have taken the 20 formulas to discuss about. These formulas are basic formulas which would be required to complete the general work in the Excel. To start with, we would be updating you. This video is for the people who knows what is Excel, what is the worksheets, spreadsheets, workbooks, what are the formulas, and how to put it over here. So let's start with the first formula. We have been created a case study called a summary function. For summary functions, the case, the situation, which data series, formula to be used, a result and the detail of the formula. So here is the first case. Find the second best value from the data series list B. This is the list B data series. Formula to be used is large and the result is 270. So how we have been able to generate the result? It is being there. We have been applied a formula called large. We have taken a series which is a B4 to B8. I have not used the name ranges just to avoid the confusion for the basic users. And I have put the value second. It means from top to second I want to have a value of this. Shows the 270. Let's have a general look over here. The top value, it seems, is 290 and the second is 270. So the results are appearing the way it is. So next, move on to the second case. Find the third lowest value. Again we refer to the list B, and now we go for the formula small, and the output is 120. Now how we applied the formula? Exact the same way we have been put up over there. Large has been replaced by the small, and we now want the third lowest value, so we have entered the third over here. We just dig down over here, press F2, and we'll be able to see that this is the list selected and this is what we want out of the data. So gentlemen, we'll move forward for the case 3. This is we want to understand the rank of 120. Rank means at which point this 120 stands in the total list if we take the list in ascending order. Let me update the same too. So again, the list B is the case. We have used the rank function, and this rank function works this way out, that we'll just choose which amount to be compared with, which number to be compared with, the list and the order. The order 1 is I'll delete this, then it shows the orders over here. 1 is for ascending, 0 is for descending, so we can work it either way we want it to be. Now this rank is being placed up here. This is how the functions works. 120 is having a third rank in the details. So as we have seen, the second best value, the first one is 290, 270 is the second one, and third one is maybe, ladies and gentlemen, maybe the range has to be updated. Just a moment, I'll take a moment. May beg your pardon. It would be we have chosen in the ascending order. So this the rank is third. If we have chosen the same data in the descending order, then that would be the different results, because it's not from the top, it's from the bottom in ascending manner. Let's say it's being starting from the 40, then 50, and then there is 120. So this will work either way. You can use it up in ascending or descending order. So let's move to the case 4. This is case is about the count only number. So for the case study we have taken a list C. Here you can see there are some blank details and there is some text over there. So we have been applied the formula of count, and it gives us the result 4 because there are only 4 numeric values, 1, 2, 3 and this 4. So this will count only numbers in a list. So now what if you want to count all the details where the cells are not empty? So we'll move to the next formula called count A. This will give us a result of 7. It means count A is count all, leaving blank details. This will give us an idea that how to count all the details, which may be of a number or a text over here. So anyhow, let's move further on the same thing. There's one more option. We have been counted number in the count. We have counted number and text in the count A. So what about count blank? So to count the blank details, we have a function called count blank. By applying the function and providing the series in between, this will produce the result 2. Now if you want to see that in the total how many counts are there, including this blank text and the numbers. So this is a try at yourself kind of a stuff where you want to understand how you can just take it up. Very simple. You just apply both the formulas and total it up. In total 9 values are passed up over there. So now we move on to the case 7. This is called the maximum value in data series. Ignore text. So list B. Just apply a max formula, pass the series, and you will get the value 290. We have taken the case in this is list B. Now moving to the minimum value, it's completely opposite to the max value. So this will work in the same manner. We have been applied on the list B, and here the formula is. And this is called sum product. Value of series 1 should be multiplied to the corresponding value of series 2 and then get total out of the same. So let's say this 18, we have taken list A and list B. So what we have to do is we have to multiply this by this value. Let's start it over here. So it means we have to multiply this value by this one and then copying it downside. So and the total of the same, here is the value is 12360. And this is appearing over here. So I hope you got the idea. So this is about the summary function. Thanks. Tune in for our next video where we explain the arithmetic functions part 2. Thank you.